ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner, the bestseller product.
The Worx Car Vacuum Cleaner is a portable handheld tool designed for detailing kit enthusiasts to maintain a clean and visually appealing car. It removes crumbs, dirt, and dust from car seats and carpets, keeping the car looking and smelling fresh. The product is ranked 49 on Amazon, indicating its strength and customer satisfaction. The product is currently priced at approximately $27 on Amazon, with a 33% discount available. You can buy through our site, yourstore22.com, or from the link in the description. The Worx Car Vacuum Cleaner features a 12V DC power, a powerful 4200 PA suction power, and a HEPA filter that is ideal for allergy sufferers as it traps allergens and dust mites. It is lightweight and portable, allowing easy storage in the trunk or glove compartment. The vacuum has a 16-foot cord, providing ample reach for all carriers. The Worx Car Vacuum Cleaner comes with various attachments, including a crevice tool, brush tool, and upholstery tool, and comes with a storage bag for easy storage. It also features 3 different nozzles for easy targeting of different car areas. The Worx Car Vacuum Cleaner is an easy-to-use, ergonomic vacuum that can be easily connected to your car's 12V cigarette lighter socket, making it suitable for extended use and cleaning. This travel tool is essential for maintaining a clean and tidy car, suitable for road trips, camping, or short drives, ensuring your car looks and smells fresh and clean.
Please like and share the video to support us, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Your Store and activate the bell to get all the news. Don't dismiss this iHerb discount coupon, JTB 8516, to get more than 20% discount and free shipping when buying for $25. The product has a high customer rating, with over 55% giving it 5 stars, while only 10% of dissatisfied customers are satisfied, indicating a high level of satisfaction among customers. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask.